3, 2, 1, go! Alright, we got the 20. Take your contact. Come on, guys, let's get going. 131 into the 99. 09 into the 131. Come on, guys, let's get some hits out there. 99, 101, 77 into the 101, 20 into 77. 09 trying to get out of that corner. Come on, guys, let's get hitting out there. Oh, and I shot by the 101. Oh, the 20 and the 9. Here comes the 99 for contact. Into the 77. Come on, guys, let's get them going out there. We got fans up there who want to see a show. Oh, and a shot to the 77 boat. Another 09. 99 bringing it around. Oh, she gets hung up in the corner. Here comes 20 for a hit. Oh, and a nice hit by the 20 car. Come on, guys. Oh, they're all big old trees coming through. Come on, guys. Let's see some good hits out there. And a shot by the 101 with the 131. 20's trying to give it all he's got. 77 making contact with the 99. Come on, guys. You guys got to get moving out there. You guys got to pick it up. Let's go. Let's make some hits out there. Come on, 101. 77 good contact with the 71. 131 into the 99 car. Looks like the 20 car maybe down and out. 99 still making contact. 101 making contact. 77. You got to make contact, buddy. 71 with contact. Looks like the 20 may have lost the TV. Yeah. We got the 99, the 77, the 101 folks, the 131 and the 71 to Bill Newton. Come on, guys, let's go out there. Let's get some hits. You guys got to get some hits out there. Oh, and a shot from the 131 into the 101. 101 broke loose. You guys got to get some hits, some separation, make some good hits. Oh, and a shot by the 71 of Bill Maitland to the 101, Randy McNabb. The 101 makes a delivery back to the 71 of Bill Maitland. We got the 77. We have the 101 and the 71 and the 131 still going. Come on, guys. Come on, you guys got to split them up. Split them up and speed up. The 77 into the 131. Oh, and they're pushing each other down on the track. The 71 and Bill Maitland is still moving. The 131 is still moving. Looks like possible two cars are only still moving down there. Oh, and it looks like the 77's back at it. .131 into the 77, 71 looking to line up. Contact by the 71 into the 77. 77 broke loose from the 131. We're down to 3 cars, folks. 3 cars. Oh, and a shot by the 131 into the 77. 71 still moving. 71, you gotta get her going. Make contact, buddy. You got the 131 making contact with the 77. 71's trying to make contact, but it looks like he's having a hard time with that tire off the rim. Come on, guys. Let's see some hits. 131, 77, 71. 71 making contact with the 77. 131 with a shot to the front of the 77. We have the 71 of Bill Maitland, the 131 of Gary Bulis, and the 77 of George Stone left. Come on, guys. Give her hell up. Oh. 71's behind his fault, darndest. And he makes contact. Oh, we got to watch out for that driver's door. Come on, guys. Shot from the 77 into the 71. Oh, there goes a car. 77 making contact with the 131. 71 didn't look like he's going to line up with the 77 and a shot from the 71 to the 77 machine. Still down to 3 cars, folks. Oh, looks like the 77 maybe in the worst way. Looks like he lost the CV shaft. Totally pulled right out. And it looks like 71 and 131 are still going here, folks. Whoa! Shut him down. Oh!